Let's see if I can take what I just learned and apply it to one of these other guys here. Okay, all right, so we have the 5/64th bit. Keeps pulling in on that. Alright, 5/32 now. Let's see what we can do now. 5/32 down through the pilot hole. It's actually really quick. Much quicker. Like, yeah. Have to make my drill be able to handle this though. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. 13 seconds. There we go. Look at that. Look how clean that is. Wow. No melting off to the left or right. Some melting right there, but still within the cylinder of the die. Wow. Okay. I'm getting better. Now I can paint this xracer, one of my neon colors. Get a different cover on, like one of my neon oranges maybe. And you need to get one of those mini hacksaw things. Just get that thing off. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes.